I get tired of talking about fasting, but it's something people have always done. It's been done since ancient times. The Bible talks about it. Many other religious texts talk about the importance of fasting. And I do think there's certainly a spiritual, mental side of doing it, kind of, denying yourself some things that would normally give you distraction or pleasure and focusing maybe on spiritual or non sort of temporal things like that. But I think in the last 5 to 10 years, there's just been a renewed interest in the health benefits of fasting, and they are undeniable. There's no perfect way to do it that we know of. Some people do intermittent fasting, and they'll restrict their eating to 2 or 3 or 4 hours. Maybe they'll have one meal a day. There's people that do more prolonged fast, 24 hours, 48, 72, and then even longer. I think do something that works for you. Do something that matches your lifestyle. Obviously, if you're like a super busy and you're high-end athlete or you're very physical, you're going to have to be more thoughtful about how and when you fast. You're going to have to probably ease into it, get your body kind of metabolically adapted to burning your own stored energy, fat, things like that. It's important. There's good ways to do it. The thing that I tell people is like the evidence for some of the benefits is in a realm where we're talking about autophagy. So autophagy is when your body sort of self-digests, self-eats. That's really what the word means. And what appears to happen at around the 72-hour mark of not consuming calories, then your body starts to purge the cells inside your body that are weakened and more vulnerable and kind of can be broken down, kind of like your metabolic junkyard. Your body just kind of goes, takes those extra bits and parts and recycles them and puts them back. And it does seem like there's some health benefits to doing that. I recommend people do a 2 or 3 day fast a few times a year. That seems to work well for me in my schedule. It's really eating is a social thing, and it's really awkward sometimes to skip a whole lot of meals with your family or friends and be the only guy not eating. So I try to strategically plan 2 or 3 days where I can fairly easily abstain from food. Now, when I'm doing that, I have plenty of water and electrolytes and some things like that. So fasting definitely has its benefits. I think just find the right way and the right place to do that for you.